The tilapia with pickled vegetable and chili is highly popular. Why has it remained so popular after a decade? It has become a standout in the past 10 years' evaluation of popular food categories. With over 50,000 nationwide outlets and an annual output nearing 100 billion. Its successful international expansion as a symbol of Chinese cuisine has garnered praise from even those unfamiliar with dining trends, praising its deliciousness. The dish's appeal lies in its quick preparation. Standardized fish slices, pickled vegetables, and sauces ensure swift service. Its authentic Sichuan-style flavors and refreshing taste are highly recognizable and addictive, whether enjoyed in restaurants, street stalls, or home kitchens. Jack & King's has reliably offered this classic for 5 years, maintaining quality and earning continuous acclaim. New stock is in high demand. Contact us for details. New stock is in high demand. Contact us for details. Jack & King's, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.